Can you buy or sell a home in Anne Arundel County without sacrificing thousands on your bottom line? Absolutely, but only if you make the right moves. First, be sure to hire an experienced agent when buying or selling your home. Hi, I'm Bonnie Fleshman from Douglas Realty, and I often chat with buyers and sellers about the risks of working with discounted brokers or inexperienced realtors. These brokers charge less because they can't compete on experience, negotiation, or results, and that can cost you in the long run. Selling or buying a home is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. And just like you wouldn't perform surgery on yourself, you shouldn't try to save money by hiring inexperienced professionals. I faint at the sight of blood. So you'll never see me playing doctor. And if you need surgery, you'll see a specialist, right? If you've broke your hip, you're not going to go visit a foot doctor. The same applies to real estate. You need a knowledgeable professional who specializes in your kind of sale or purchase to get the very best outcome. If you hire an inexperienced agent or lender who doesn't understand all the programs available to you, you could leave thousands of dollars on the table. Now let's talk negotiations. If you were being sued, wouldn't you hire the best attorney to protect your interests? Of course. The same principle applies when you're selling your home. It's your biggest investment. An agent who can't negotiate their own commission probably won't be able to negotiate on your behalf either, and that would end up costing you. So take my advice. Hiring an experienced specialist with top-notch negotiation skills is the right choice when buying or selling your biggest asset. I'm Bonnie Fleshman from Douglas Realty for the best move of your life.